Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we are going to be doing our side hustle for the month of July. This is going to cover our eBay and our Mercari profit. So we made a profit of $109. With that being said, $46 of the profit was from eBay and $63 profit was from Mercari, which is actually really good. Mercari has been stepping up its game and I have been receiving a lot more income from Mercari. I literally just list it and then that's it. I probably promote it if somebody likes it or something, but usually I just let it do its due and let the sales come to me. With Mercari, eBay, I do have to promote it a little bit, like with the percentage and everything. Send some offers as much as I can, do some sales on eBay, like store sales. But yeah, so $109 is how much we are going to be working with today from the side hustle. And I already have everything, all the money is going to be placed in different sinking funds. And of course, we're going to go over that as well. So we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So $109 is how much we have. I'll go ahead and grab this real quick. But yeah, so this is all from after taxes. Well, not after taxes, after fees from like eBay. Mercari doesn't do fees anymore, and then buyers pay for the shipping and everything on Mercari. So $109. With taxes, I did bump it from 20% to 25%. So we are going to be stuffing, let me see, we're stuffing $27 in taxes this go around. So we're going to go ahead and get the priority binder, or my long-term savings binder is what I use for this one. And we're going to put it in taxes, and taxes 20, 25, 26, and 27. So $27. We're going to keep it right in the front, and then whenever we finish stuffing, then we'll go back and do how much we have. So the next one is going to be savings. So savings is going to be getting $15. So let's see if I can get a 5 and put a 20. Perfect. And then next will be debt, and debt is also going to be getting $15. So we will do 5, 10, 15. We'll do the 5 for the debt. And then next will be traveling. So traveling will also get $15. Let's see if it has a $5 in this one. It does not have a $5 in this one. So we might have to switch it up. So 15 will go in here. And then debt, I believe debt does have a 5. Perfect. We'll put a 20 in debt. All right, moving on. Fertility will be getting $20. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So $20. Pets is going to be getting $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to move on to the yellow binder. And the yellow binder is going to be getting, let's see, from giveaways. So we are going to start the giveaways. If you have seen my video on Tuesday, you will know that I announced 2 of the $50 giveaway winners, and one of them has claimed it right now. I am filming this earlier than expected. I'm filming this on a Wednesday, but the other one has not responded back yet, so they still have until Friday, which was yesterday, whenever you do. So we'll see. If not, I will do probably like a short video. If that person doesn't claim, do a short video and pick another winner. All right, so Giveaways is going to be getting $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just so we can go ahead and start this back up. I do want to do 2 $100 gift cards. 2 $100 giveaways this year. Last year I did one, and then we already did one right now, so we are going to rebuild that up until $100, and hopefully we can do this giveaway again at the end of the year. And then last but not least, we are doing the eBay shop for $2. So $2 are going to go back into the shop. I really don't need anything. My mom works at a newspaper building company, so she always gives me the boxes. She always gives me the white tissue paper, so I really don't need that. I'm stocked on tape. My next big purchase is probably some more labels for my thermal printer, but I still have maybe about 50 or so labels, and I want to say it's only like $23 to buy that. So that's pretty much it for the eBay shop. I'm thinking about combining eBay and the YouTube envelope and just making it into one, but we'll see. So for eBay, we have 20, 21, and 22. So $22 for eBay. Moving towards the giveaway, like I said, we are adding $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So $10 for the giveaway. Next one is going to be the travel fund. We're adding 15. So we have $500. We have $572 into our high yield save account right now. So right now we have 572. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, and 65. So we have, let's get our calculator. 65 plus 572, so we have $633 for vacation. Debt is going to be getting $20. So debt right now has 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and 45. So $45. Rainy day fund. I do not count this because we do a challenge for this one, but as you can see, it's right there. So we are adding $15. Let me move that out of the way real quick. So $15. And this one, hopefully we'll get this done by the end of the year. Maybe we can start on a new one before the end of the year, but I highly doubt it because the other one took me about 6 months to finish as well. Next one is the pet fund. Now the pet fund, I actually messed up. I have no idea. Maybe I didn't stuff it, or maybe I deposit the wrong amount in the high yield savings account, because this one I was supposed to have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I was supposed to have $50 already for the pet fund. However, all I have is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. $38, which is weird, out of the pet fund, which I'm supposed to have $50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yeah, $50. So I don't know. I might have to redo this one, or put the amount of money in here. So it's just weird. I don't know. Maybe I accidentally put it somewhere else. Next one is taxes. And like I said, taxes, we are putting $27. So right now for taxes, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 2, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So $208. I really do need to deposit this into my high yield savings account as well, because we won't need these taxes until the end of February, beginning of March. So I really need to put this into a savings as well, so we can earn some interest on that. Next one is fertility. And fertility was getting $20. Let's see. Perfect. All right, so right now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. So we have $143 going into fertility, which is great as well. That needs to go into the high yield savings account. And that is it, you guys. Short, sweet, to the point. That was our side hustle for July, eBay and Mercari. We stuffed $109 into the respected sinking funds, a lot of the long-term savings fund. But that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. Let me know if you guys are loving these side hustles that I do. It's just extra income for myself to put towards stuff that I have been saving or want to save. But anyways, love you guys, and I will see you guys on Monday for a mini Monday challenge. Bye, guys.